Namaste everyone. Welcome to the tutorial series of Nritya Sara. So I'll be taking up Bharatanatyam lessons from basics. This is especially for those who have left their dancing midway and for those who wish to start learning Bharatanatyam right from the beginning. So today's episode is an introduction to the upcoming dance lessons that I'll be teaching. We'll start with the Namaskriya, that is the prayer. The prayer goes, Angikam bhuvanam yasya vachikam sarva vangmayam aharyam chandrataradi tam namas satvikam shiva, which means the one whose body is as big as the universe, whose speech is language for everything and everybody, whose ornaments are the moon and the stars. We bow in front of that pure Lord Shiva. Then comes Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Nama. After the prayer, we'll be doing a small step so as to take blessings and as a respect to Mother Earth, gods and goddesses, Guru and audience. So the prayer goes, what you will do is, you'll form a V in your feet. Okay, and then you'll be going down slowly. You'll go down from the center of your body. You have to pay attention that your bum is not like this while you go. That is, you don't lean forward or lean backwards. Okay, so you have to go down from the center of your body. The weight of the body must be in the center. Okay, so a V, and then you go down, and then you'll bang your right leg. While banging your right leg, you have to see to it that your knee is not lifted. You'll just take your heel inside without moving your knee. So 1, 2. I'll show it again. And your hands, in both your hands, Shikhara Hasta. That is, you'll keep your thumbs up. So you'll clap your feet. 1, 2. Then join your feet and keep your hands like this. Then you'll go on your toes, slowly touch the ground, on your eyes, and then by joining your feet, 1, 2, and 3. Ready for dance. So I'll be explaining in detail how to do the Aramandi, the V position that we hold. This is called as the Aramandi position. It is the most important thing in our Bharatanatyam. So I'll be teaching you the next episode how to hold it and how to maintain the proper Aramandi position. Hope that you'll have clearly understood the Namaskriya. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below or DM me on my Instagram account. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below. We'll be coming up with tutorial videos every alternate week with the regular dance videos. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an opportunity to learn Bharatanatyam at your ease. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.